Hi, it's Eva here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the unique Nolita grey. Let's begin our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we will find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, you'll see further contrasting features, all courtesy of the black exterior pack, such as your black contrasting roof, as we finish down now on your 20-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll see your rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as your rear LED tail lights. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey. And glimpsing into your cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. And as we take a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you'll be greeted with your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which is courtesy of the extended leather upgrade. As you can see, it offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your speed and your sat nav. Moving over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 10-inch deployable Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, which include your rear parking camera and your front and rear parking aid. With this being a petrol plug-in hybrid, you will also be able to access electric vehicle modes, which include battery life, charging capacity, which I'm sure will come in handy with this, again, petrol plug-in vehicle. Moving down, you'll also see your lower screen, which will offer your climate control systems as well as heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You will also be able to access further vehicle dynamics, which include terrain response systems. And to conclude our journey, we look up to find easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will enhance this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.